This is actually the first time I opened some LeBrons myself. So let's go ahead, open the paper. Hey, what up guys? Peps Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. And today we're doing a really special shoe because this one's actually not mine. This one's my homie's John, I shall say Lil Tarzan, because that's his rapper name, and now we call him that. Today, we got the LeBron 11. It is the LeBron 11, right? So yeah, these are the LeBron 11 SFG. What the? So shout out to my boy, go check out his YouTube channel. It's gonna be linked in the description or in the card right now. But I don't really know much about this shoe. I've never really been a fan of LeBron shoes. I really like the 10s, so I'll give you that. I really like the 10s back when they came out in like 2011, 2012, something like that. I know it was in like middle school or like freshman year in high school. But why is this box not opening? Is it glued? Oh shit. Yo, my knife is not working today. What's wrong with my knife? So I just didn't want to show the labels because it's honestly kind of annoying to be editing the video and having to blur out the labels, but I guess Nike just finessed me today and I had take out the, ooh. They decided to glue the bottom of the box, so I guess not, but right away as we're opening the box, which this time it actually is larger than the actual shoe box, right away, the LeBron box, really different. Go ahead and show you guys, there you go. So a red box, silver, like a really metallic LeBron logo right there in the right in the center of the box. Then you got LeBron right there, again reflective metallic or like silver color, then a silver Nike reflective logo, and then there's the LeBron signature right there, size 8 for my boy. Do you know what else I like about this? It says LeBron, and then in the back, James. Hey, I really like the box so far. I gotta admit, the box is looking really nice. This is actually the first time I opened some LeBrons myself. So again, I don't really know what to expect, so let's go ahead and flip the... Ooh, okay, not yet. We're not prepared yet. So let's go ahead, open the paper. Okay. Once you take them out, they look clean. They, like, on the box, on the paper, they kind of look a little bit weird, but oh, look at that. Look at the sole, the LeBron logo. Ooh, okay. Nah, I fuck with these. I would so play ball in these. Let's go ahead and put this one over here on the side. Put the take the paper out, and then take the other one. Oh, this one has, oh, the Nike logo at the bottom. Okay, for sure. All right, and nothing else in the box, so let's just go ahead and put that to the side. Pull the knife out the way. All right, so here they are, LeBron 11. Okay, so they right away, you can see in the sole it says, like on the inside part of the sole it says 11 over here by the toes. Then you have like the J, you know, representing LeBron James over here in one of the straps. 4 straps, you got the one at the top which has a Nike logo, gray Nike logo over there. And then you have the other three aviso Mexican. You got the other 3, again, all 3 Velcro straps. You got a little bit of different material over here in the tips, but then there's just like knitted, a little bit of knitting over here. In the front over here, you also have a bit of a different material, like this leather, oh, not leather. I'm not sure what it is. It is a different material though. And right there on the inside, you can see a little bit, there's like the LeBron logo is a little bit bigger than the actual hole where you would put your foot, I mean. But there's a LeBron logo right on the, where your foot goes. And then over here in the strap of the little thing on the thong, you have the LeBron logo again. The crown, the king crown, because LeBron be the king right now, which I gotta admit, LeBron is probably the best player in the world right now. Once again, I already mentioned it, but I just want to acknowledge it one more time because this looks dope. Then over here on the outside of the sole, or the midsole, I mean, you have a bit of the paint splatter that Nike uses on a lot of its shoe. I don't know if I like the fact that this Nike logo over here is kind of the same color as the gray over here. I don't know, I wish it was like this cream tone over here. So I just noticed that the same material that's over here on the toes, it actually runs through the outside of the shoe all the way to the heel. And I would call it like an artificial leather. That's what I looked it up, and that's what it kind of came out to be. That's what I would call it. I'm not sure, but if you guys know, you can always leave a comment. And then also right there on the heels, you got the LeBron crown one again. They really put that that crown everywhere on these shoes. And then over here on the midsole, you also have the Nike Zoom branding, which obviously tells you that they're mostly basketball shoes because that's the material that Nike uses for its basketball shoes. So on the left shoe, you have the L for LeBron, and then on the right one, you have the J for James. And then on the same area where you had 11 on the right one, you had Soldier on this one. The amount of detail that Nike puts into these, or that put into just this specific shoe. For a basketball shoe, I think it has way too many details. I'm a strong believer that if you look good, whether on the court, on the field, whatever you're playing, you're gonna feel confident. If you feel confident, you're gonna be able to be out there and ball out regardless of how bad you could possibly be. For me, I suck. Nike definitely got creative with these, so I definitely thank my homie John for letting me do the unboxing for them over here in the channel. Once again, go ahead and check them out. But I think that is it for today, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more videos. But yeah, once again, guys, thanks so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Pef Moneybags out.